Welcome to Ravindra Reddy channel. Hi students, today we will discuss about diversity in living world. Diversity in living world. First of all, what is diversity? Variety and variability of seen in plants and animals is called diversity. Variety and variability of seen plants and animals. Plants and animals is called diversity. Variety and variability. We living together with plants and animals. We living with together plants and animals. In our surround, different kinds of plants and animals. Different kinds of plants and animals, but characteristics are very different. Plants and animals characteristics are very different. So now in this chapter we will discuss about which type of characteristics are different. Are growth, reproduction, metabolism. First one is growth and reproduction and metabolism. These all are very different in plants and animals. In plants and animals, these are different. Growth, reproduction and metabolism. We will discuss about one by one. We will discuss about one by one now. So, before going to lesson, we will discuss about Ernest Walter Mayer. Ernest Walter Mayer. Ernest Walter Mayer, he was one of the 100 greatest scientists of all the times. He was greatest scientist, 100 greatest scientists, 100 greatest scientists of all the times. Greatest scientist of all the times. He is Ernest Walter Mayer. He is Ernest Walter Mayer. Atane Ernest Walter Mayer. He was born in 5th July 5th July in 1908. In 1904. ఇతను 5th July 1904వ సంవత్సరంలో జర్మన్లో జన్మించారు. In the country of Germany. In the country of Germany, and died 3rd February 2004 US. 3rd February 2004 in US. He was 20th century. He was 20th century evolutionary biologist. He was 20th century evolutionary biologist. 20th century evolutionary biologist. He was born in 5th July 1904 in Germany, and he was died in 3rd February 2004 in US, and he was 20th century evolutionary biologist. Evolutionary biologist. And he is also ornithologist, was also ornithologist and philosopher of biology, and tropical explorer, tropical explorer, and historian of science, historian of science and taxonomist. He is not a evolutionary or biologist. Also not evolutionary or biologist. He also ornithologist, philosopher of biology, tropical explorer, historian of science, and taxonomist. And he worked as conceptual revolution of modern evolutionary Mendelian genetics, and Darwinism evolution. He worked Mendelian evolution, genetics, and Darwinism evolution. He worked conceptual revolution of that. It lead to the modern evolution of Mendelian genetics, and Darwinism evolution. He was worked. And awards, Lady Award, L-E-I-D-Y, Lady Award in 1947. Lady Award in 1947. And Darwin Valence Award in 1958. Darwin Valence Award 1958, and National Award for Science. National Award for Science in 1969. National Award for Science in 1969, and Darwin Medal in 1984. Darwin Medal 1984, and International Award for Biology 1994. 1994. This is the study of Ernest Walter Mayer. Once again, the Ernest Walter Mayer, born in 5th July 1904 in Germany and 3rd February 2004 died in US. He was 20th century evolutionary biologist, He is also ornithologist, philosopher of biology, tropical explorer, and historian of science, and taxonomist. And taxonomist, and he worked constant revolutionary of Mendelian genetics and Darwinism evolution. Darwinism evolution, and he got number of awards. He got number of awards, and one is Lilly Award in 1947 and Darwin Valence Award in 1958, National Award for Science in 1969 and Darwin Medal 1984, International Award for Biology in 1994. 1994. This is the history of